Let's solve one problem from JEST Physics 2023 paper. The problem states that consider a system of classical non-interacting particles constrained to be in the xy plane subjected to the potential. The potential V is a function of x and y, so equal to half a x minus y whole square if they are in equilibrium with the thermal bath at temperature T. What is the average energy per particle? The Boltzmann's constant is kV, so we need to find the average energy per particle, right? So we have given the potential, so we will use the equipartition theorem. Using equipartition theorem, we can write that the equilibrium state, each quadratic degree of freedom contributes to half kV T to the average energy. So it will be each quadratic degree of freedom contributes half kBT to the average energy. Right, we need to count how many independent quadratic degrees of freedom exist in the Hamiltonian. Total energy is the kinetic and potential. So for the kinetic energy, we can write, for the kinetic energy we can write half mvx square plus half mvy square. So there are two quadratic terms in the kinetic energy, contributes to 2 into half kBT equal to kBT. Half cancels, so it will kBT. Now the total potential energy. So the potential energy we can write, so it is given by Vxy is equal to half a into x minus whole square, right? So let u equal to x minus y and v equal to x plus y. Then the potential is, we can have half a u square, right? So only one quadratic term contributes to the potential energy, so its energy will be half kBT. Right, then the total energy is, we can write the total energy we can add up that kinetic energy contribution plus potential energy contribution, so it is kB plus half kBT plus half kBT, so it will be 3/2 kBT, right? So the average energy we have, so the average energy we have is equal to 3/2 kBT is the required expression, final required expression, so which matches with the option D of the given problem. So the D is our correct answer. Hope the solution is clear. Thanks a lot.